and welcome to Top Gear India. Now, if you've ever been interested in buying a Skoda Kushaq or a Volkswagen Tiguan and ever wondered what it looked like under the skin, today we have a really good example of what the MQB platform looks like under the skin. Now, globally, this gets a 5-star rating in the NCAP test, and now the MQB platform has been Indianized in a way that Volkswagen and Skoda can put together the MQB platform based on metals and steels available in India. So that's where the localization comes in. Now, you see these red parts over here, these parts painted red. Now, these are the parts where Skoda has used high tensile steel. And the reason why this entire car is not red and only these certain parts have been given high tensile steel is because the structure, in order to maintain its structural integrity, it needs high tensile steel. But at the same time, it also has to be able to crumple and absorb, which is why the entire car is not red in color, and certain parts have been designed in a way that can crumple and close in and absorb impact. So if you come along the side over here, you see the sides, the doors over here get a lot stronger bracing. You know, you would imagine that it'd be packed to the teeth, but most of the time inside the door you just have the electronics, which is why the doors tend to have a slightly hollow thud when you close the doors on the Slavia or the Kushaq or the Tiguan or the Virtus. But rest assured, they are very strong and very well built. It's just that they haven't packed them for the heck of it. They've tried to maintain and keep the weight down so that you still have that agility with the car. Now, if you come along the side over here, you see there's already some place implemented in here for a spare wheel also. So, I mean, as you'd expect it. And the fuel tank in the car, if you don't know this, most fuel tanks are located in the passenger seat, under the passenger seat behind the driver's side. So the right side, passenger seat. Most cars tend to do that. This one also seems to have that setting over here. And they've cut the roof open a bit too to let you know how they've sort of like bolstered the structural integrity of the car on the roof despite adding a sunroof to the top. So they have a nice little cutout for a sunroof over here. And as you can see, Skoda has had to add a bit more bracing to the top over here, along with making the side bolsters a bit stronger. Now, if you get a quick peep inside the car, now you can tell that this was never meant to be an all-wheel drive car or a four-wheel drive car, because there is no transmission tunnel built in or ever thought of building it. This was always meant to be a front-wheel drive car, and it goes to show. Now, the engine bay over here is not super large, but it's big enough. It accommodates a 1-liter 3-cylinder motor, or you can get a 4-cylinder, a 1.5. And both of these engines perform really well, and I highly doubt that you would feel the need of more power because they have plenty of poke where you truly need it. Alright, so this is the Skoda Kushaq / Tiguan MQB chassis in a nutshell. Do let us know in the comment section what you think about it. This is Gavin Rodriguez signing off.